219 species in genus Ornithogalum. Ornithogalum, a starry obsession. My fascination with the genus Ornithogalum began quite unexpectedly. I was wandering through a local nursery, overwhelmed by the riot of colors and textures, when a cluster of delicate, star-shaped blooms caught my eye. They were unassuming, almost shy, yet possessed an undeniable charm. The label read Star of Bethlehem, and I was smitten. This simple encounter sparked a deep dive into the world of Ornithogalum, a genus that continues to captivate me with its diversity and understated beauty. What is Ornithogalum? Ornithogalum is a genus of bulbous flowering plants belonging to the family Asparagaceae. The name, derived from the Greek words ornis, bird, and gala, milk, is somewhat enigmatic. Some speculate it refers to the white color of the flowers, while others believe it alludes to an ancient expression of incredulous delight. Whatever the origin, the name Ornithogalum encompasses a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. These plants are predominantly native to southern Europe and southern Africa, but their distribution extends to other regions, including the Caucasus. They are characterized by their basal leaves and star-shaped flowers, which typically range in color from white to cream, with some species boasting vibrant yellow or orange hues. A diverse genus. The genus Ornithogalum is surprisingly large, with over 200 recognized species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While Ornithogalum species are primarily cultivated for their ornamental value, they also hold cultural and historical significance. In some cultures, Ornithogalum umbulatum is associated with purity and hope, often used in religious ceremonies and wedding bouquets. It's important to note that some Ornithogalum species contain toxic compounds, particularly in the bulbs. While they have been used in traditional medicine, caution is advised as ingestion can cause gastrointestinal distress and other adverse effects. My Ornithogalum journey. My initial encounter with Ornithogalum umbulatum led me to cultivate several species in my own garden. I've been captivated by the subtle variations in flower shape, size, and color. The way the petals shimmer in the sunlight, the delicate fragrance that wafts through the air. These are the moments that solidify my appreciation for this remarkable genus. I've also become fascinated by the challenges of cultivating different Ornithogalum species. Some, like Ornithogalum dubium, require specific conditions to thrive, while others, like Ornithogalum umbulatum, are surprisingly adaptable. Each species presents a unique learning opportunity, adding another layer to my Ornithogalum journey. Looking ahead, my exploration of the Ornithogalum genus is far from over. I'm eager to learn more about the lesser-known species, to experiment with different cultivation techniques, and to delve deeper into the cultural and historical significance of these fascinating plants. The world of Ornithogalum is vast and full of surprises. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious novice, I encourage you to discover the beauty and diversity of this often overlooked genus. You might just find yourself, like me, falling under the spell of its starry charm.